back with the video. Today, I'm going to be making slime out of gum, bubble gum. So, hold on, I will be right back. I gotta go get things. So, go back. So I need to look up hot water. So I put it away. This is your gum. Dip it in hot water. You want to keep dipping it. That's mine. So you want to wait till it gets ready. I'm thirsty.
Mama, try these on.
What a jar goes to this.
Goes without saying, because girls are flexible. Taking you to a bathroom stall, or even shoving her tongue down my throat with the other ones on
Feel
top.
like I had seen glasses on.
I'm talking killer upper voice, bang, scratch my back.
I think I know what's wrong with me.
Friends whispering in my ear.
You want to keep dipping until you
I
get
wonder
burned. I'll be right back.
no, they ain't the problem. See, get this shit up. Come on, guys. You don't do it in one bag. You only won't be able to do it.
I don't know, I've never seen one.
Get yourself up.
Where are you from? Boston, Mass. Did they teach you anything?
I just straight, but
Just enough to get by, but I was hoping to teach you the 3 R's. 3 R's?
to get rid
Yeah,
of
you know, reading,
Just
writing,
keep
redneck
going
reading.
until it gets like slime.
Now, people give you a hard time. I can see that. You're young, you're from out of town, and you're smart at it. Can you start thirsty?
Welcome. Then you want to let it sit for a couple
Yes, sir.
minutes. So it's like
I'll teach you
real,
to read
real,
and write.
real.
But you on your own when it comes to the written.
You know the real, right?
Fuck out the blinds. Go get in the blinds tonight. Go get in the blinds, honey.
What's the deal with the preachers on?
Fuck who you were
She
outside.
worked all that attitude.
Hey, back in the day, she used to be good teacher. Now she front like she's on middle grade. We wearing
Sorry
jeans
about
all the
the
time.
person.
Man, you put a quarter in that girl's back pocket and tell them to head to tail.
So
Why? You're trying to knock
like,
you to her, aren't you? Yes, you are. He is.
I'm just curious. I ain't trying to bang her, take her bar and dance.
Well, that'd be pretty hard, being that that's against the law.
What, banging the preacher's daughter?
Nah, public dancing against the law if you're under 18 and bone.
Shut up.
I will see when I'm done.
So, this country was built on Band-Aid.
So, you tell me Beaumont had his name.
Well, you know,
But one thing
they
I
got
ain't
the
trying
fall
to do.
ball, right? Okay, so all the churches
You
get
got
together, put it on. The whole town
You
shows
got a
up,
kid.
and everybody's eyes are on you to make sure you're dancing at least 6 inches away from your girl.
And you gotta add another 2 inches
What?
for me though.
And for one song, they make you dance with your mother. I mean, talk about a boner killer.
And the schools don't want to have dances on their property.
You got me?
They say they don't want to be held liable.
You're only held liable for what?
5 seniors died in a car crash coming home from a dance, and that's when the whole town went crazy. They started bringing on liquor,
Can't do
music,
that.
and dancing.
What?
And
You had
after
to
a
get the
while,
one
everybody
on
started
top.
thinking dancing was a sin.
Oh.
We're
Just
talking about
get
what,
into it.
right? Not heaven and hell.
Yeah, take that up with Reverend Moore.
Oh, shit.
That's what it is. That's the right time. If you let it sit for a long time, it will get real soft.
Did you just take one of my cards?
Nachos, hot dogs, hamburgers.
Burrito pies, all the way. And if you're real man, you'll eat that jalapeno.
Wait.
What about that guy? I don't know where his fingers get in.
Thanks for watching my video. Comment down below and subscribe. How
Oh, you could have used
did
that.
this video go?
Go get this move on.
So,
What you got me up for?
that's what I'm saying. Sorry about the cuss. And please watch my next video.
Don't get you fucking.
Do
First hand of the police, and I'm a